on Math, Day 13, and we are still working in Chapter 17, which is addition and subtraction, with and without regrouping, with numbers to 100. That's a lot, but you can do this, okay? All right, quick review. We are still doing our addition with numbers to 100. Yesterday, we reviewed how to regroup, but then all of our workbook pages were not regrouping. It was simple. We didn't have to regroup. Today, we're still adding, but we will be regrouping. So really quick, I'm just going to go over that again with you. You know how to do it. We've done it several times. They have given us 66 plus 7, and we know that it's already lined up. 6 plus 7 is 13. Put your 3 here, carry your 1. This is how we regroup when we stack. 1 plus 6 is 7. Okay? So 67 plus 7 more is 73. Now, if they had written it like this, we would simply break it up, break that 60 into 60 and 6 more. Then we're going to add 6 plus 7 equals 13. Now, we haven't used this 60 yet. We can't leave it out. We got to use it. 60 plus 13, our new number. Okay, now when we add 60 plus 13, that's 2 double-digit numbers. Let's stack that up. 0 plus 3 is 3. 6 plus 1 is 7. So when we write it this way and regroup, we still get 73. Still get the same answer. We regrouped here by carrying our 1. We regrouped here by breaking it down into our 10s and our 1s. Okay? Both strategies work. You just do whichever one is best for you. Okay? At this point, I want you to be able to just do the math. All right. Moving on. Let's do one more. Let me just work this one for you. Let's try 33 plus 18. Now, if it's written like this, you can stack it like this, okay? Either way, you're going to have to regroup. 3 plus 8 is, yell it out, that's a fast fact, 11, very good. 1's in this column, carry the 1 in the 10 spot, because 11 has a 1 in the 1 spot and a 1 in the 10 spot. 1 plus 3 is 4, plus 1 more is 5, okay? If we did it this way, if we wanted to break it down, this would be a 30 and 3 more. 18 would be a 10 and 8 more. Now we're going to add our groups of our 10s, 30 and 10. 30 plus 10 more, we know, is 40. 3 plus 8, we've got to add those two. We can't leave them out. And we know from our fast facts, our plus 3s and our plus 8s, that 3 plus 8 is 11. Now we're ready to add our two new numbers, okay? 0 plus 1 is 1. 4 plus 1 is 5. We get the same number. They both yield the same answer, okay? This is regrouping going across in an addition sentence. This is regrouping going up and down when we stack it up, okay? You do whichever one is easiest for you at this point. But we do learn how to do this. You'll do this a lot in 2nd grade. All right, let's go to our workbook. Workbook pages 157. Let's start there. And it's the same that we did yesterday, except today our numbers are bigger. And so we're going to have to regroup. It's okay though. You know how to do this. All right, our first one, 48 plus 5. We know that 8 plus 5 is, yell it out. Good job, 13. So we keep our 3 in our 1 spot, and we carry the 1. Because the number 13 has a 3 in the 1 spot, which we put here, and a 1 in the tens spot, which has to stay in our tens column, okay? So, 8 plus 5 is 13, 3 here, carry the 1, 1 plus 4 is 5. So 48 plus 5 is 53. Of course, you can pop 48 in your head and count up 5. So 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53. 53. All right, number 2, 57 plus 8. What is 7 and 8 more? Good job, 15. And 1 and 5 is 6. Let's check it. Pop 57 into your head and count up 8. So 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65. I can't get my 8. There we go. 65. All right. 7 plus 64. This time they've put the small number on top and the large number on bottom. Don't let that confuse you. It's the same math problem as 64 plus 7. Okay? So we can pop 64 in our head and count up 7, or we can just do the math stacked up, okay? So let's do the math stacked up. Since this one looks different, let's practice one of these. 7 plus 4 more, we know is, shout it out. Good job. 7 plus 4 is 11, so I put my 1 here and I carry my 1. It's still in the tens column, even though there's not a number up here like it is here, they're not close together. That's still my tens column, so my 1 still has to carry. 1 plus 6 is 7. So 64 plus 7 is 71. Let's check that. Let's stick 64 in our head and count up 7. So 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71. 64 plus 7 is 71. 59 plus 4. What is 9 plus 4? Blow that into your hand. Release it. Good job. 13. Carry the 1. 1 plus 5 is? Good job. Let's check it. 59. 60. 61. 62. 63. 59 plus 4 is 63. 73 plus 9. What is 3 plus 9? Do you remember that from your fast facts? Good job. 3 and 9 more is 12. Carry your 1. 1 plus 7, 8. All right. I want you to do that one all by yourself, okay? 5 plus 86. I want you guys to work on that one all by yourself. You're super smart. You probably already have your answer written down. After you work that one, we're going to move on down to fill in the missing numbers. Number 7, 4 plus 66. And I told you yesterday, the tricky part about rewriting it is making sure we get the right number in the right spot. So let's be real careful with that. 4 has 0 tens and 4 ones. Okay, so you can write a 0 here, or you can leave it blank and don't put anything there, okay? But I don't want you to get confused. 4 has 4 ones, 0 tens. 66 has 6 tens and 6 ones. Okay, so now we're ready to do our addition stacked up. 4 plus 6 is, blow it into your hand, release it, 10, great job. 0, carry my 1. 1 plus 6, because 1 plus 0 is 1, plus 6 is 7. So 4 plus 66 is 70. All right, here we have 89 plus 8. So we're going to put our 89, 8 tens, 9 ones, plus 8 more. 8 has 0 tens and 8 ones. So 9 plus 8. Do you remember that one from your math fast facts? 9 plus 8 more. Blow it in your hand. Release it. Good job. 17. Now, if you forgot and you couldn't remember it from your math fast facts, that's okay. Pop 9 into your head and count up 8. So 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 17. 1 plus 8, 9. So 89 plus 8 is 97. We can check that by popping 89 into our head and counting up. So let's check it. 89, 90, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97. 89 plus 8 is 97. Alrighty. Flip over to your next page. And let's work on this one. Your next page looks like this. That's kind of weird. But we've done this before. This is our little math machine. We're going to put 76 in our math machine, and while it's in there, we add 9 to it. So let's write that out. 76 plus 9, okay? 76 goes in. They add 9 while it's in there. 6 plus 9. Great job. 15. 1 is 7. 8. So if 76 goes in and we add 9 more, what comes out? 85. Now, you can also pop 76 into your head and add 9. I'll have to put my marker down for that. So 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85. 76 plus 9 is 85. Alright, let's go on to our next page. Moving right along. And if you notice, our numbers just get bigger and bigger. That's okay. They're supposed to, because we are adding numbers all the way up to 100. Okay. 27 plus 28. What is 7 plus 8 more? Good job. 15. My 5 goes here in my ones column. I carry my 1 to the tens column. Now I have 1 plus 2 plus 2. And if you remember, right before school was closed, we were adding three digits like 6 plus 6 plus 7, or in this case, 1 plus 2 plus 2. So 1 plus 2 is 3, plus 2 more is 5. Okay? And you can put that in your head, 1 plus 2 more, 2, 3, plus 2 more, 4, 5. Okay? Alright, 86 plus 4. What is 6 and 4 more? Blow it into your hand. Release it. 10. Very good. My 0 stays in my ones column and I carry my 1. My 1 stays in my tens column. 1 plus 8 plus 1. 1 plus 8 is 9. Plus 1 more. 10. Woo, there's 100. There's our first 3-digit number. 86 plus 14 is 100. Alright, 25 plus 37. What is 7 and 5 more? Or 5 plus 7 more? Good job, 12. My 2 stays in my ones column. My 1 carries to my tens column because the number 12 has 2 ones. Keep that in your ones column. And 1 10, keep that in your tens column. That's why we do that. 1 plus 2 plus 3. Well, 1 plus 2 is 3. Plus 3 more. So 3 plus 3 more is, good job, 6. You guys are smart. I know you're getting this. 44 plus 37. 4 plus 7 is, yell it out to me. Good job, 11. 1 here, carry my other 1. 1 plus 4 plus 3. So let's start one number at a time. 1 plus 4 is 5. So 5 plus 3 more, 8. Great job. Look how big these numbers are getting. 81. 39 plus 21. 9 plus 1. Good job. Simple. 10. 1 plus 3 plus 2. Let's start with our first 2. 1 plus 3 is 4. Good job. And 4 plus 2 more, 6. Great job. 39 plus 21, 60. 36 plus 54. All right. 6 plus 4 more. Good job. 10. 1 plus 3 plus 5. Let's start at the first part. 1 plus 3 is 4. Good When you take your number and stack it, please be careful to make sure you write your number correctly. This is where some of us trip up. I do it too. 19 plus 14. 19, 110, 9 ones. 19 plus, it's already here, my plus is here, 14, 110, and 4 ones, okay? We want to make sure our ones are lined up and our tens are lined up. 19 plus 14. What is 9 plus 4? Good job. 13. Carry my 1. 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 3. Great job. 19 plus 14 is 33. Alright. 58 plus 36. I want you guys to do this one all by yourself. I know you can do it. You are super smart. Line it up. Stack it up the way it's supposed to be, and then do the math. Alright, this is our last page for today. We're going to come back to this same addition with numbers up to 100 tomorrow. We're going to practice, so we will get really good at it. I hope this helps. I hope you have a great day, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye, guys.